Good afternoon, traders. It is Friday, May 10th, 2019, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Well, the markets continue this wild seesaw action that we've seen, and this has been a really rotten week for us, and it ends with another Freaky Friday, and we did not do well today. Um, you can just look at this chart and see, it looks like a giant green snake or something. This morning, the Dow opens down. It actually breaks the low from yesterday and then turns around and climbs the rest of the day, last 2/3 of the day almost, and ends up 114. But there just isn't any money to be made in this. And for starters, we only had one position yesterday, and in spite of this declining market that we've seen the last 5 days, we were short and we lost significant money on that single position. That was in LABD, which is the biotech bear, and we lost $1,800 on that single stock. So we closed out negative $1,800. Then we got into 9 new positions today. 5 were positive, 4 were negative. Normally that's a good ratio, but we're negative $4,000 on those 9 positions, and partially because our negative stuff is pretty negative and our positive stuff just doesn't amount to anything, and so they don't balance out properly. I was going to say I have nothing to show you, but I'll show you the best thing we have, which isn't much. This is SunPower Corporation, and well, it's pretty wild here. You can see this thing open lower this morning, and then it just shot up and hit our buy point right here. Kept moving, got pretty high, then backed off. Actually went to a loss there, then came back up again, and then went down. And then it basically closed somewhere in the middle. But regardless, we're still positive $1,300 in SunPower. But again, that's the best thing we had today out of everything, both getting out and getting in. So not so good. Anyway, I am going to enjoy this weekend. I hope you guys enjoy this weekend, and I certainly hope these markets straighten out next week. Trader Bob signing off.